Guys, another treat. We are back in a professional kitchen with our professional chef, Trixie. Once again, the queen of the desserts. And look what we have in store for you today. Trixie, talk us through this one. What is this?
So James, this is literally a 3-minute, less than 3 minutes or 5 minutes, whichever, the quickest trifle you will ever get.
Yeah.
So there is no guidelines. It's literally you need to find some beautiful Swiss roll in your shop, a Checkers, a Woolies, wherever they will have your mini Swiss rolls. You can even buy the mousse, chocolate ready-made chocolate mousse, the caramel treat, and it's literally just been layers. So you've cut your Swiss roll, you layered it with some fresh banana, there is caramel treat, the next layer is your
So what are we
mousse.
calling this little?
We can call it a Banoffee Trifle.
A Banoffee Trifle.
And there we go.
Wow.
And some fresh cream on top, just
Sounds
to take it off.
tremendous. Right, let's get started with this guy. Trix, this little number you've put together here, can you talk us through the ingredients?
So we're quickly going to do today, I want to say, let's call it a 5-minute trifle. There's actually no hassle to this. So we have Swiss roll, caramel treat, there is some chocolate mousse, we have some fresh bananas, and there's a bit of garnish, but you can really actually, this is a recipe that you can do by yourself and you can figure it out. So there's no jelly that needs to be set or homemade custard. This is a quick and easy going.
And so you've bought, this is caramel treat that's in a tin, is that correct?
Caramel treat in a tin.
And you bought these Swiss rolls as is?
As is,
Okay,
you know,
so
your
a lot
favorite.
of it. Yeah,
everything you can get in the store.
Real
like I said,
shortcut. This is a real shortcut.
quick and easy, so you literally can decide how you want to do. So what I'm going to do here, I'm cutting up the Swiss roll, just popping them into the little bowl. That
Sushi cake.
Sushi cake it is. That's what they say. The Swiss roll has a bit of caramel in it as well. Seemingly that we all go in caramel, so you can call it a caramel banoffee. I'm going to do a few slices of fresh banana there.
Beautiful.
Then we're going to do a bit of the caramel treat. If you want to make the caramel treat a bit lighter, you can whip some cream to it.
Yeah.
You can add the cream. Then I'm going to add some chocolate mousse just to give a bit of chocolatey. I mean, who does not love chocolate? Chocolate is the
So influencers would also love this, wouldn't they?
most definitely. Chocolate in a decadent bowl. Here we go. So what I can do, if you want to do a bit more, let's add a few slices.
I'm going to layer it up.
I'm going to layer it up. Fortunate I am a caramel fan, so I will just add a little bit more caramel to this.
Get it in there.
You know, you get it as much as possible.
Yeah.
So we just, this caramel treat so divine. Then obviously the all-time favorite, your cream. So you can do it any way around. I'm just going to do nice little blobs of cream all over. Like I said, this is so easy. Not a lot of people like trifle.
But they'll like this one.
They will definitely
They're going to love this one.
love this. The trifle, some people don't like the jelly in between, some do. But you know what? It's all your personal favorite. But here we have today a Banoffee favorite.
Okay.
So I have some nice fresh, some banana chips that you can buy in the shops.
Lovely.
Anywhere. A bit of banana chips.
Nice crispy banana.
You can do a bit of your all-time pecan nuts. If you're not a fan of nuts, you don't have to do it. But you know, like all chefs, they are nuts. So you know what? We must just add.
Except for the shortcuts, of course.
The shortcuts, we just professionals. And then you can just add a bit of fruit there. The fruit, which basically is just to ease the mind, to tell you, you know what?
It's a little bit of health. Yeah, we're going a bit healthy.
And we are healthy. And
how long did that take?
Less than 5 minutes.
3 minutes 17.
3 minutes 17. Thank you, new camera guy.
That's a quickie for the day.
Wow, that's the quickie for the day.
And now for James's favorite part of the day, tasting the desserts.
Right.
James, tuck
Tricks,
into it.
here we go.
Let's see if it's good as it
say,
is.
is this as sweet as it looks?
It's going to be better than what it ever been.
Tricks, if this was my last meal on earth, I think I'd die a happy man.
And
Really delicious.
Never ever forget the quickie cream on top.
This, guys, is one for the ages. Cheers.